Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler and it's Rocky the Steps time. Yes, I'm at the Philadelphia Museum of Art and we're going to take the stairs that Rocky Balboa took Sylvester Stallone back in 1976. Up these stairs up there, and at the top right there you can see the statue of Rocky Balboa. So let's go. This might take a while. Oh, we already got a couple people that are making the run for it. But this guy's not running. He's walking. Oh, there they go. They're taking off. We're going to do it nice and slow. Nice day to be out. Those guys that were running, they are huffing and puffing now.
Je vais les refaire, c'est le fun, ça.
There it is. We made it. Nice view of the city of Philadelphia. And this is what's below the statue. You guys can read along. He has a great view of the city. All right, time to make our way down. Just off the side of the statue is Rocky's footprints. Let me see here. About the same size. A little information on the statue. Okay. This guy made it. Good job. All right, now for the walk down. So it's about 110 steps to the top and then 110 steps back down. Just before you go up the steps or down the stairs, off to the side there's a greetings from Philly, and there's a Rocky shop. And then around the back side, there's a mural back here.
Hả? Nào
And as you keep walking around, there's another statue. Oh my God, they even have the Rocky theme music playing. Well, I cut the rest of the music off because I didn't want to hear Eye of the Tiger and get monetized. But apparently this guy comes out here all the time with his little music box and plays Eye of the Tiger and expects, I guess, a few dollars for him playing that music, but I'm not one of them. Well, that was pretty cool. Their bucket list check off there. But hopefully they don't actually put a copyright from that song. That's why I made it really short. But if you're ever in Philadelphia, come check out the Rocky Steps. A lot of people going up and down those things. So, and I think that's going to do it from Philadelphia. And on that note, Traveler saying